Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to talk about blood. Just a brief introduction to its physical features, composition and functions. Blood is a connective tissue that plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. Blood, along with cardiovascular system, constitutes the circulatory system of whole body, a specialized body fluid in the circulation that delivers the essential substances, like nutrients and oxygen to cells and removes metabolic wastes. It serves as a transport medium, a regulator of physical functions, and a key component of immune and coagulation systems. Now, let's see what are the physical features of blood. In an average adult male, there is 5 to 6 liters of blood. In an adult female, there is 4 to 5 liters of blood. It comprises 7 to 8% of total body weight. Sticky to touch in nature. It's denser and more viscous than water due to its composition. Slightly alkaline in nature, its normal pH is about 7.35 to 7.45. And it's salty in taste. Ever wonder why males have more blood than females? Here is the main reasons. First one is hormonal effects. Because testosterone is high in males, that stimulates erythropoiesis, which is the process of red blood cells formation. It leads to higher hematocrit, which is the proportion of red blood cells in blood. Higher hemoglobin level, leading to more oxygen carrying capacity. And third one is that there is greater oxygen demand due to larger muscle mass. That needs more blood. Another reason is body size and composition. Volume of blood thus proportional to body weight, and lean muscle mass. Male have more muscle mass and larger body frame. That's why to fulfill that need there is more blood in their body. Menstrual blood loss in female could be a reason, but it's a minor factor, and there is no strong evidence for its effect on volume changes. So the typical blood volume values for each gender are: in adult male, there is 70 to 80 milliliter blood per kilogram weight. In adult female, there is 65 to 70 milliliter blood per kilogram weight. So that's why an average 70 kilograms male has 5.2 liter blood and a 60 kilogram female has 4.2 liter blood volume. If we talk about its composition, there are two main components. First one is the plasma, which is 55% liquid portion of whole blood. It's a yellowish fluid that contains 90 to 92% of only water, and 8 to 10% of some solutes. The other main component of blood is its formed elements, which are nothing but the blood cells: erythrocytes, leukocytes, and thrombocytes. The solute portion of plasma contains 6 main elements. First, there are some essential proteins in plasma for some crucial functions, such as albumin to maintain oncotic pressure of blood, globulin for regulating immune functions, and the fibrinogen for clotting of blood after injury. Second element is electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, bicarbonate, and phosphate. Each one of these play important functions in maintaining and regulating fluid balance. Third element is nutrients present in blood plasma: amino acids, glucose, fatty acids, and vitamins. Fourth element is gases, which includes oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Waste products, such as urea, which is formed by the breakdown of amino acids. Creatinine, by breakdown of creatinine phosphate in muscles. Uric acid, by breakdown of purines. Bilirubin, by breakdown of hemoglobin in old red blood cells. Other important components present in plasma are hormones, enzymes, antibodies, chemical mediators, and clotting factors. Let's see how the formed elements are present in blood. Red blood cells, with lifespan of about 120 days. The main function is to transport oxygen via hemoglobin and carbon dioxide. They are present as approximately 4.5 to 6 million cells per microliters, medium in size as 7 to 8 micrometer. Not too large, not too small. This size make them flexible to navigate through small capillaries. Next are white blood cells. Their lifespan varies according to their types, which are neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocyte, eosinophil, and basophils. Their main function is defense against infections and foreign substances. Present as 4,000 to 11,000 per microliters. They vary in size also from 8 to 20 micrometer. They are larger than others. This size makes them unable to engulf and destroy pathogens. Last ones are platelets, with lifespan of 7 to 10 days. The function they perform is blood clotting known as hemostasis. Present as approximately 1.5 to 4.5 lakh cells per microliter. These are smallest in size as 2 to 4 micrometer in length. This size enables them for quick response to vascular injury. Let's see what are the functions our blood is performing. Transportation. It basically serves as a route to transport different things to different sites, such as oxygen from lungs to tissues via hemoglobin, carbon dioxide from tissues back to lungs. Nutrients are supplied by blood from digestive system to cells all over the body. Hormones from endocrine glands to target organs. Waste products from all over the body to liver and kidneys for excretion. Another function is regulation of different physiological processes by these three mechanisms. pH buffering system, which involves acid-base balance. Blood has to maintain its normal pH value between 7.35 to 7.45. It regulates it by three components. Bicarbonate, which acts as a sponge. It soaks extra acid or base in blood. If blood is too acidic, it neutralizes it. If it's too basic, it also balances it to normal. Hemoglobin and albumin also plays role here, as they binds to free excess hydrogen ions to prevent acidity in blood. Another mechanism is thermoregulation. Blood has to maintain steady body temperature. If you are cold, the blood vessels in body narrows and reduce the diameter to keep warm blood near essential organs to retain heat. If you are feeling hot, the blood vessels in skin widen. The warm blood flows near the surface area to release excess heat from body. Third mechanism is osmotic balance. It is basically to keep the right amount of fluid in vessels. This action is performed either by plasma proteins, especially albumin. It pulls water into blood vessels to prevent fluid from leaking out. Or the electrolytes, especially sodium or potassium. They move water in or out of cells as needed, so that cells don't swell or dry out. Last function of blood is protection. How? There are two mechanisms by which blood plays in protecting body from damage or complications. First is immune response. By leukocytes, these are the soldiers in our body. Fight off bacteria, viruses, and other harmful invaders in body. These cells can perform different functions according to the need, such as they can eat the germs, the process defined as phagocytosis, can release chemicals to kill them, which is degranulation, or can remember them for faster defense next time, by immunological memory. The immune response is also performed by releasing antibodies, which are target missiles of these soldiers, made by some white blood cells. These recognize specific invaders and help destroy them. Second mechanism here is clot formation. When you get a cut, platelets stick to the injury site immediately. They form a plug there. Then clotting factors activate and make a fibrin mesh here and seal the wound. Basically, blood stops bleeding by forming clots using platelets and clotting proteins. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more.